Hey guys, I wanted to show you our new method for tracking behavior and rewarding students for good behavior in middle school. This is what we're planning on doing. Obviously, if you have something in class you want to do, that's great too. But as a middle school, this is a new system we're going to try. It's based on Google Forms and dumps all the data into a spreadsheet so we can keep track of it on a weekly and monthly basis. So I've shared a link with you, and if you don't have it, feel free to ask me. You click on that link as many times as you want to know a student's behavior. And the first thing you'll see is which grade are you entering for. And so I'm going to click 8th. This is just so you don't have to scroll through all the students. So you click 8th, and I'm going to give Winona a great work. Notice that we have 3 categories here. We have great work, awesome attitude, and helping hands. If you have ideas for other categories you'd like to see, that's fantastic. But these are the kind of the 3 we're thinking about right now. Great work for academic performance, awesome attitude, if they have good social skills, if they're connecting with people, if they're being kind, helping hands, if they're doing practical help to help a student out or help you out. So Winona turned in a great paper, as she does, and I just want to recognize that. Evan got his work done right away. He was on task, and I'm going to say great work, Evan. This week, today, I also felt like Cassidy had an awesome attitude, which was great. And she came in and she said, "How are you doing, Mr. Latin?" I had to correct her a little bit, but she took it and received it well. So I'm going to give her an awesome attitude. Allie also had an awesome attitude. And I'm just going to note too, Shane and Richard today both worked together to help clean the class before they left, so I'm going to give them a helping hands. And finally, Thomas helped a 6th grader open their locker, so he's going to get a helping hands mark. Okay, so I've done that. I need to submit it, and once I submit it, you should see, bear with me as I go into Inception mode, you should see this. It says, your response has been recorded. And note, if you want, there are 3 options here. You can look at, starting on the bottom, if you wanted to go back and do 6th graders, if you wanted to give another behavior back to a student in 8th grade or whatever, you can submit another response. That's going to open another window, just like we saw, and you can go through the process again. Edit your response. You can go back and redo that if you want. If you say, oh, this student, I really didn't mean to give them a behavior buck, and take it back. But generally speaking, I don't think you need to use that one. And finally, see previous responses. If you want to see how a student is doing, and this is, again, all the teachers' behavior marks are coming in to the same form, you can click on this to see previous responses. And what you're really looking for is this. So you can see here that Donalyn got 2 marks. I'll delete all these samples when I'm done. And 2 marks for her great work and an awesome attitude mark. And so we can track this, see what students are doing, and scroll through and record everything. And we can even share that with students. So what I'll probably do is I'll take a screenshot when I want to show a student, hey, you're doing great this week, keep it up, and show them what they're getting. That's what we're doing. It all goes into a spreadsheet. When we come to the end of the week, we'll have some sort of drawing based on their behavior and their marks that they got, and hopefully this will be a great system. Thank you.